Just because I'm pretty. I'm 10. Even though I'm broke, but I'm still thank you. I want more baby. Even though you're broke. Yeah.
Welcome to Baguio.
Hey, welcome to Baguio. Hi guys. Hey, how are you to find out?
Sing me.
Yes, Sunni. Oh my God, Jelly is sleeping. Are you okay there at the back?
Welcome to the back.
Welcome to the back. There's a luggage there. Can you tell me where it is? Oh, let's call the map. I'm the map. Can you tell us where is the bag? No way. There's a way. Can you tell me where is the treasure is? Where's your backpack, Laura? I left it over there.
But they didn't know everything.
Oh man!
Jelly, what is that? Tell us.
Oh, it's a river, and the snow is very clean. Wow! Bubble Guppy! Bubble Guppy! Her voice is so Bubble Guppy! It's a bamboo! It's a bamboo! Wow! It's a banana here. Oh, there's a banana bush here. Hanging bridge! Oh, there's a hanging bridge over there! Oh my God!
Bye-bye, say bye-bye.
But the road here is not roading.
Yeah, because we have never seen any other farm also. So want to feel myself right now. I'm in the what we call strawberry plantation. So this is my girls. Take him at the Joyce. Oh my God! This is rich. We share. This is Ate Marvin.
Hi.
Oh God, this is so cool.
Oh, we have to make way with me.
Oh,